Ever been in the middle of an epic boss battle or a crucial multiplayer match, only for your PlayStation game to suddenly freeze or stutter? It is incredibly frustrating, right? Well, you are not alone. And the good news is that many common causes of game stuttering on your PlayStation console are quite simple to fix. You can often restore smooth gameplay with just a few straightforward troubleshooting steps. Game stuttering often happens when your console is struggling to keep up with the demands of the game. This could be due to your PlayStation overheating, a network hiccup causing lag, or even software glitches that unnecessarily hog your system's processing power and memory. The first and easiest step is always to restart your PlayStation completely. Turn it off and plug it from the wall for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This simple power cycle can clear temporary errors and refresh your console's system memory. Next, check your internet connection. If you are playing an online game, a slow or unstable connection can manifest as stuttering or lag. Try connecting your console directly to your router with an Ethernet cable if you are currently using Wi-Fi. Also, restart your internet modem and router to refresh the connection. Ensure your game and system software are fully updated. Developers frequently release patches to improve performance and fix bugs, while system updates bring important stability enhancements. Make sure to download and install any pending updates for both your games and your PlayStation console. A powerful step is rebuilding your PlayStation's database. This process reorganizes the files on your console's hard drive, similar to defragmenting a computer, making it more efficient. To do this, you will boot your console into safe mode and select the Rebuild Database option. Do not worry, this will not delete your games or save data. Finally, consider if your console needs a physical clean to prevent overheating. Dust buildup inside the console can block air vents and cooling fans, causing the system to get too hot. When a PlayStation overheats, it can automatically reduce its performance, a process known as thermal throttling, to prevent damage, which directly causes stuttering. You can use compressed air to gently clear out the vents. Understanding that your console might be slowing down due to thermal throttling to protect itself helps explain why a clean console performs so much better. Rebuilding your database, a feature often overlooked, can dramatically improve system responsiveness by optimizing how your PlayStation accesses its data. These are insider moves to keep things running perfectly. By taking these few simple, proactive steps, you can ensure your PlayStation runs smoothly, prevent frustrating interruptions, and keep your gaming experience enjoyable for the long haul. A little maintenance goes a long way in maximizing your gaming pleasure.